The Bank of Canada was actually organized as a private bank, and it was nationalized only in the year before the outbreak of the war. And by doing so, Canada's record, economic record, cost of the war to it, is far more successful than that of the United States or Britain, who had private central banks.
You understand that because the Bank of Canada belongs to us, and we earned that as a result of the consciousness and concern that arose in Canadian people at the time of the Great Depression that Bill was talking about a minute ago. And so here the government is able to create money that we need for schools, for hospitals, for healthcare, for the environment, at little or no interest. And it's borrowing it instead from private banks who create that money out of thin air. It's nothing but debt. It's nothing but numbers in a computer. After we allow them to make money out of thin air, we allow them to collect interest at our expense on the money they lend. Then, when they do get into difficulties, which they do because we've granted them deregulation that they required, then we are told that we have a deficit, and that is, we must pay off the debt. We must pay off the deficit at the expense of education, healthcare, and all the rest of it. How clever is this? It's time to challenge that system.